Good old 20th century TV.
Do you remember a time when chocolate chip cookies came fresh from the oven? Petridge Farm remembers.
Oh, those were the days.
Do you remember a time when women couldn't vote and certain folk weren't allowed on golf courses?
Come on. Hey, let her see it. She has to see it. Go down the stairs. Ooh, little seed. Where are you guys going? Here she comes. Wait, here she comes. Is she crazy? Here she comes.
It's the end. Bye, guys.
Say goodbye. Where are we going? The show's over. See you next time.
Next time? When's that?
Pretty soon. Don't worry.
Pretty soon? How long is that?
In a little while, man.
A little while? What will we do till then?
You could get your teeth drilled.